Hey guys, how's it going? So we got a bit of a unboxing, unpackaging, unbubble wrapping. This is a product that was sent to me by an Amazon dealer to check out for them. I guess I'm going to need a knife. And I decided we're going to do a whole unpackaging thing with this thing, and there's my knife. And check it out for you. Now, you guys have been watching my channel. I've actually been doing some smart plug stuff for a couple of companies. And so part of my house, well actually most of my house now is actually smart plugged to death. So I can control a lot of the house and my shop outside through my phone or iPad, Android device, etc. Well, this is kind of like it's not a smart device. It is made by the same company, by TECKIN, and what this is actually a wall plug adapter with USB ports. Now, if you go on cruises at all, on boats, cruise ships, they don't allow you to have power bars or power strips because, you know, you've got like a long cable on there, and I guess it's a safety thing. Well, these are cruise ship approved, and I'm going to show you the website actually through Amazon. And as well as I'm going to put a link in the description of the video too, so if you want to purchase one of these things you can. And I think these things actually look pretty cool, and now that I get to see it in real life, it's like, that is actually kind of neat. So you've got one outlet here, one here, one here. So 3 main outlets all grounded, and of course you have your 2 USB ports as well. And between the 2 ports, they deliver up to 2.4 amps of juice for charging your devices. And apparently the smart part about this thing is that it can, I guess it auto-senses or auto-detects your device so that it doesn't put too much of a charge into your device, right? So it doesn't harm your device. But they also carry, of course, smart bulbs and the smart plug system as well. So you can you know, do that sort of thing. It says here, thank you, and a gift for you only, a smart plug or smart bulb. I think I want a smart bulb. Log into your Amazon account, find your order, write your great shopping experience, and blah, 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 email. Oh, that's kind of cool. Awesome. Alright, so, what else we got in here? We have kind of like a little kind of thing on warranty here. Quality tested many times for power adapter, arranged delivery according to requirement of enterprise quality, and provide technique support or excellent service. Safety precautions, they tell you. Now this thing has a maximum capacity apparently of about 15 amps, I believe. Rated at 1,875 watts maximum. Okay, so that's for your 120 volt side. Yep, 15 amp. DC 5 volt, 2.4 amp maximum. USB total output is 5 volt, 2.4 amp, or 12 watt, or 12 W. So, anyways, you got a warranty on here as well. 1 year. Products are covered for a 1-year warranty, so if anything fails within the first year, you contact them and go from there. So we are going to show you the website, and then we're going to plug this in and check it out. So I don't know how well you're going to see this, but this is on Amazon.ca. I believe they have an Amazon.com as well. I'm pretty sure they do. So it's by TECKIN, and in Canadian dollars currently, okay, $22.99 and free shipping on all orders over $35. So if you order 2 of these, you get free shipping. Bonus. Okay, and they tell you a little bit about it and whatnot. They get into it, and you can see a blown up picture, etc. And they do carry a lot of devices, even the smart technology devices. I've got a number of them. You know, and they're working pretty good, so, you know, they've got some decent stuff. It's not that hard to set up. And a lot of these smart plug devices also run on the same app as well. But like I said, this one is not an app. It's not a Bluetooth controlled item. So there's no apps or anything to worry about. Just plug it in the wall, plug your stuff in, and away you go. So let's go do that. So I'm going to just turn the camera off for a sec so we can move into the other room. Okay, so we're back. So I've plugged it into actually my power bar right now. It's just more convenient this way. And I've plugged my kettle into it so I can boil water. So that's on and running. And hey, already, way to go. There's a little blue light on here. It tells you got power going to the USB. Yeah, it does. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, yeah. Alright, so we're going to just charge up the old iPhone here. 49% charged. And the little charge indicator light is on my iPhone. So you can see that it is accepting the charge. And let's see if we can find another USB device to charge. Okay, so I've also got this Bluetooth speaker. So we're going to plug it in to the other port. And it's on charge as well. My red light is lit, saying that it's charging. And we got the kettle going in there. I don't have anything else I can plug into this thing right now. Not in this location anyways. But you can see it's working, and you know, I mean, a kettle does draw quite a few amps, you know, because it's just a heater coil, it's heating up. So it does draw quite a few amps, and it's fine that way. It's doing good. My iPhone's charging, 51% now. So it works good, and it's not that majorly bulky, you know, which is another nice thing about it. Now, as far as going into a regular wall plug goes, what I'm curious about is actually how much space it's actually going to chew up. Because that's what you're going to be doing with this thing on a normal basis, is just plug it into a regular wall outlet. Mind you, you are getting extra outlets out of the deal. Out of a two outlet, you're going to gain actually 1 plus USB ports. So let's unplug this stuff. Well, that needs to be cleaned. Okay, so if you plug it into the bottom, you will now have 4 outlets available to you. Okay, you can see the blue lights on, and you know, I can plug my stuff back in, but we don't need to. Now if you plug it into the top one, of course, you will not get another plug down below. It cuts it off too much. So if you plug it into the bottom though, you're golden. It'll be fine in the bottom, and then you'll be able to plug 4 different things in. So you'll get up to 15 amps worth of pulling power out of the 3 wall sockets that are all grounded, plus your 2 USB ports, plus you're going to get your regular top half of your plug available to you. So it's kind of like running a snake of stuff off of a power bar, you know, because even my power bar over here that we were at, it's got what? 2, 4, 6. Well, this one's got 8 on it, but a lot of power bars only have 4, maybe 6 outlets on them. This has got 8. But, you know, depending on how big your power supply is that you're plugging in, it can actually prevent you from getting access to ports. So let's say we plug this brick in. Okay, now we've just eliminated access to this. So now we don't have access to the next socket. So now we've just limited ourselves from 8 down to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We only get 6 in use now, plus this one here. But then we can plug this in, and then we are going to cut off this one a bit. We have no access to this one, so it depends on how you arrange things, right? Either way. But you don't really plug this into a power bar anyways. This is basically your power bar without cables. Okay, and I think that's actually pretty cool. I like this product, and I think the price is pretty good, even, you know, at Canadian dollars too. That's actually pretty decent, considering you're getting 2 USB ports, 2.4 amps of juice, 3 plug-ins, which is great, you know. So that's pretty awesome, you know. And like I said, it's not too bulky, and if you plug it into your bottom wall socket, you'll get a total of the 4 accessible, you know. So you got your 3 around the perimeter, and then your 1 top one, and of course your 2 USBs. So you get lots of access there for plugging in whatever you need to, right? Which will actually come in handy. I think, you know, I might just actually use this in my room, in my studio, because right now I'm running a lot of stuff off of a power bar strip that's underneath my table for my computer. So I could actually take that stuff out, free up that power bar, and just use this, and then I'll still have my USB charge ports for charging stuff in my studio, because right now I have the ability to do it on another power bar, but this would give me access to even more ports for charging USB, because a lot of my stuff is rechargeable through USB ports, so it'll actually be quite handy. So that'll actually give me the extra that I would want anyhow. So anyway, so check a look at it. You know, let me know what you think of this in this video. But do check out the Amazon link that's in the description. And if you're interested in buying 1 or 2 or a dozen of these, you know, go for it. And you know, they'll be happy to send you as many as you need. And if you do go on a cruise ship, these are cruise ship approved. And I think there's a list too available on the ad on Amazon to tell you about a lot of the different liners that they're already approved with, and there's like a boatload of them, literally. So, you know, no pun intended on that one, but you know, you get the idea, right, guys? Anyway, so thanks very much for checking out this video and the unboxing and the little test of it. I like it. I'm going to definitely be using this. And thanks so much to the company for sending it to me as well to check out. I think you guys got a really neat product here, which is really cool. Really like it. That's awesome. So catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao.